All right, you guys, this is the supplies that we're going to need for our tic-tac-toe. As you can see, it's going to be scrappy, using up the scraps, things that I love to do. So right here, I have the X's and the O's. I went to Pinterest, traced it. I will be tracing this on the fabric. This is going to be my fabric for my X's and O's. And then this fabric right here is going to be for the lines on the board. And of course, this is the board here, this beautiful soft denim. And this is the interfacing, which I have used on many projects. You know, this is extra, so I'm going to go ahead and use that up for this project. So remember, I'm going to put everything in the description box that I use, but you can customize this as any way you want it. So let's jump right into it. All right, you guys, so what you see is the fabric that I'm going to make my X's and O's out of, and I'm going to take my X and I'm just going to trace it onto my fabric. And then once I trace it onto the fabric, I'm going to take it to the sewing machine, and I am just going to stitch on that line. And if you guys don't know, this right here is a friction pin. It goes away with heat. It is awesome. I like it. And so that's what I am going to do. I'm going to make 5 of each, 5 X's, 5 O's. And this is going to be kind of like not a fast method, but it's going to be efficient and it's going to be really fun. So this is like super fun, you guys. I'm excited about to use this for the summer because me and my family, we are gamers, you guys, especially my husband. He is a real big one. Okay, so this is the X, and so I'm just going to take it to my sewing machine and I'm just going to stitch right on these lines. And then after I stitch on the line, I'm going to cut it out. But before I do all that, I'll do all my tracing. And like I said, I did add my interfacing, but when I cut this out, I would have another fabric on top of this fabric, which will be the backing, right? And then I will go ahead and cut it out. I will sew it and then cut it out, which is the backing. And I'm so sorry if I didn't talk about the backing, guys. I'm so sorry. But yeah, so it has to be a backing here for this one and your board. So I'm going to go ahead and finish tracing, and I'm going to get my my backing fabric, cut them out and everything, and I'll be back to show you the finished product. All right, you guys, I am all back. So I've been busy off camera. So I have these scissors right here. These are my scallop scissors. And I love these things. So I have my X's and my O's, and I did it just like I said. I was gonna trace the outlining out, and then I just cut with the scissors, and I did this on both sides. How pretty. And I put the back on them. Excuse my threads there. I have to cut them. And so let me show you what else I did. I made let me get these out the way. I made our straps for our board, you know, to make the lines. So I cut them out 3 inches, and I folded it in the middle. And then I opened it, and then I just folded this way and I folded it that way. And then I'm gonna fold it that way, which I have one right here. And so these are gonna be the lines that's gonna be on the board, okay? And another thing I did, let me bring in the board. So this is the board, you guys, and it is big. It is 18 by 18, and this is the board, and it's gonna look like this. And I just think it's gonna be so pretty. And then I'm gonna have the lines, of course, going the other way. Only brought 3. Oh, here we go. Yeah, and so I'm gonna fold that one, and so we'll have that one like that. And then we are going to have our X's and our O's. How cute. Oh, let's do a no. How cute, right? I love this so much. And so this right here is the backing, you guys. It's going to be a turn backing. I'm actually going to just put right sides together. I'm actually going to stitch these down to the front part of this, of the front of the board. And then once I sew the straps down, I am going to put right sides together, and then I'm just going to sew all the way around, leaving myself an opening, a quarter, you know, it could be 2 inches to 3 inches, depending on, you know, how you want yours to be. And then I probably do 2 inches, and then I'm going to turn it around, and then I'm going to press it, and then I'll do like a single stitch. Once I turn it out, it'll be like a single, I'm gonna do a single stitch all the way around it to seal up the ends, to make it look nice and crisp. Now there's so many options right here, you guys. So I use, of course, the lightweight interfacing on mine, but you can use batting. You can, I mean, the sky's the limit. Even for your letters, you can use batting. There is where you can like leave a little hole, and you can stuff you know, your squares if that's what you want to do. But the sky's the limit. You can make these as wide as you want. I was thinking, like, if you had a bigger board, you can make it wide, you can make the letters bigger. But the sky's the limit. Your creativity really goes into this, and I just cannot wait to see you guys your boards and stuff, because this is awesome for summertime. Like I said, we are big gamers, and we put cookies and all kind of stuff with ours, so to make it fun. I'm gonna go ahead and sew all this down, you guys, and I'm gonna come back with the finished product to show you exactly everything that I just talked about. So I'll see you in a few minutes. Okay guys, I wanted to come in. I am about to put the straps on the board, and I wanted to show you how I going to attach it. And you see I did some, I call them rogue hashtags, hash things on the board. But what I did was I actually laid these down and I pinned them, and then I laid these down, the cross, and then pin them that way. So when I get ready to sew this down, I don't have to do too many steps. And so I'm going to sew down this way, you know, crossing over this to secure this down to this strap right here. And then I'll make 2 going down here, and then I'll do the other side. And then when I decide to go this way, I'm going to do the same exact, oh, I stuck myself. Same exact thing. Okay. So I just wanted to come in and tell you guys that. Alrighty. So I'll be back with the finished product. All right, you guys, I am all back, and she came out so pretty. I absolutely love the way everything came out. It is what I envisioned in my head. And I love it because it's not perfect. I have like row stitching over here. Let me move everything out the way. Oh, and by the way, the O's as you can see, one. And let me just get all of this off of here. And so this is it. This is the board. First off, I really love the weight of the board, how everything look. You know, it's not too heavy, not too light. It is just perfect. If you guys happen to hear, I got a bunch of ruckus going on outside of my house. I believe they either mowing a lawn or something. But I got rose stitches here. I have, like, it's crooked over here, but I absolutely love it. I love it, guys. And so I am going to have so much fun with this month and every month, because like I told you guys before, my family, we are gamers, and we add food, cookies, and our favorite snacks to see who gets the prize. And we have just so much fun. It's usually around about 8 or 9 of us, and we have so much fun playing the game. So I thought this would be a really cute addition to our endeavors that we usually do during the summer when we go camping and all that good stuff. And this is gonna be the talk right here. So I am so excited. And you guys, I wanted to, okay, so there was a tutorial. I did this tutorial on my channel with the bags and everything, the little clutch bags. And so the cool thing that I love about this is I'm gonna fold this up. Let me show you. I thought about this, and look at this. I'm gonna fold this up. I'm gonna stick this is gonna be my carry-on right here, and I'm gonna slide that in there with my letters. You guys, I'm gonna put all my letters in there, and this is gonna be the carrying case for my tic-tac-toe. How awesome, right? So you guys, give it a try, add your personality to it, and just have fun and enjoy it. All right, you guys, I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.